With 4 locations spanning across the Lehigh Valley, the Lesson Center is taking the stage in musical education. Students at the Lesson Center can expand their voice performance, instrumental talents, and much more.
So when you come into the Lesson Center, we really try and make you feel like you're at home. All of our instructors are really warm, personable, and friendly. Music can be challenging and it can be scary, just like learning anything, and we really want to make sure that students have a comfortable environment to be themselves, as well as achieve their musical goals. These days, many kids can take lessons in school and through their individual band programs. In private lessons, I feel like you really get the opportunity to find your own voice musically and really take it to the next level and propel yourself forward. We offer a wide variety of music instrument lessons, vocals as well. All of our teachers come from extensive experience in the industry. Many have degrees, and we really set it up so that we can cater to individual students' needs. And we don't have any sort of set curriculum or anything. It really is what you want to learn and how we can diversify our instruction for you. We really offer lessons to a whole range of students, kids as young as 4 years old and adults even in their 70s and 80s. There really is no set kind of person, just someone that comes in with a passion for music and a desire to learn. So we have a rotating schedule of teachers throughout the week, operating from Monday through Thursday. We have a Saturday over here as well. A couple teachers come in, and it really depends on the student. Pretty much every room is outfitted with a piano. We try and keep it as flexible as possible so that anyone that comes in can feel comfortable in any given space that we have. We have 4 locations spread out throughout the valley. Each is conveniently located to most homes and families in the area. So we started in Bethlehem above Billy's Downtown Diner. That's where we were founded. Eventually moved down the road on Easton Ave to the facility we're in now in Bethlehem. Coopersburg came next. We opened up Trexlertown out here, and then our newest facility is out in Easton Forks Township. From the musical side too, we really try and get involved in the community and different venues around the area like Steel Stacks, Music Fest, Godfrey Daniels, and give our students as many performance opportunities as possible if that's their thing. It seems to be really expanding, not only in population, but on the musical side, because it's sort of a fishbowl of a community. Everyone knows everyone. A lot of great opportunities for networking. We really do a good job of keeping in touch with our alumni through our various social media networks, and we go on to see a lot of kids produce their own records, perform all over the country, and we do feel responsible in helping them kind of reach their goals and springboard them and really foster that love of music and achieve what they want to do.
On that note, it's time to wrap up this episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. Come on out to the Lesson Center. Who knows, you may have your own hidden musical talents. Be sure to hit the bell button, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time.